Useful strategies that generate excellent business leads. When you are competing in sales, you must learn all that is possible about lead generation. What you know is what will ensure that you stay ahead of the game. If you want to know it all, then the helpful tips and tricks found below will ensure that you reach your goals. Test a small market sample if you are trying to generate leads in a new way or area of consumer spending. While online marketing can be very economical, you don't want to waste a lot of resources on something that's going to go bust. Test a sample, and if it generates a few leads, go for it. Otherwise, simply live and learn and move on. Check out events in your area and see if there's a way you can use them to generate leads. For example, if there is a cycling race, buy a sponsorship package. Then you can get yourself on TV talking about it, or in the paper, or just talk to people who are there to watch. Make sure you have unique leads. It is common to buy leads quickly without checking for duplicates. You'll end up with the same lead over and over again. Make sure that when you target a certain number of leads, each one is unique and get maximum exposure. Know your target market. When you understand the specific group that most needs the products or services you offer, you will be able to reach them more efficiently. For example, if you are trying to reach elderly customers, you have a better chance of generating leads if you avoid a skateboard shop. Don't be afraid to cut certain tactics that aren't performing as they should. Even if a tactic is generating a ton of leads, it may be that the leads just really aren't that strong. If there's low to no conversion, why continue spending in the channel? Rather double down on tactics that are converting. Think about contacting local businesses to determine if they have a need for the knowledge you have. For example, a landscaper could share their know-how about seasonal flowers. Diet planners can offer great tips to offices about better eating while working. Who can learn from your skill set? Now that you have watched this video in full, you should be prepared to attain the success you have dreamed of. Don't procrastinate. Get down to business today, creating a plan to ensure you reach your goals. If you do, you'll realize your potential in no time, boosting your profits towards the stars. Student loan.